Hollandaise sauce. There are two ways to make it. Hollandaise sauce is one of the French mother sauces. It is made by raw egg yolks with a pinch of salt and a squeeze of lemon juice. Okay, we started making this Hollandaise sauce by beating 2 egg yolks and beat until it becomes creamy, and add a pinch of salt, and of course you can use white wine vinegar or only lemon juice. You can put them together, mix, and add also a half cup of butter, melted but not so melted. Mix it thoroughly until they totally combine. The lemon juice and until become creamy and thick sauce. But by troubleshooting this, if it's too thick, you can add 2 tablespoons of hot water and add more butter. Stir it well until totally combined. Add another 1/4 cup of water. Mix it gradually until the sauce becomes rich and creamy. This Hollandaise sauce is good for blanch pan-seared salmon. It's a good sauce for this also. And the famous is the egg benedict. It's a poached egg on top of lightly toasted, like what I did. I use this for salmon fried. It's a rich and creamy lemony butter sauce. It's really so good. Try this at home and comment down below what do you prepare, the method that I use. This one, crack 2 egg yolks again and half lemon juice, 1/4 cup of water, and then heat the pan in a low fire. Add the butter, slice gradually, add the stir it well until the sauce becomes thick and creamy. You can add cayenne powder for add some kick, and also brown black pepper. And don't forget, keep on stirring in a low heat fire and add more 1 egg yolk until you achieve this kind of consistency, the thick and creamy lemony butter sauce. Hollandaise sauce. Bye! Thank you for watching!